How to start chat in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to start a chat on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to start a chat, simply tap onto chat button at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Now to start to chat, simply you can explore the channels, tap on it, and from here you can simply choose one of the channels just like this and simply tap onto message and type the message and send it just like this. And now you can see you have started a chat. Now do the same process for other channels as well, and that's it. This is how you can start chat in the Reddit app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.